Relevance and importance of psychology in nursing. Can you define nursing? What is psychology? What are the principles of psychology? Can you list functions of nursing? Can you explain important and relevance of psychology in nursing? Going to learn. Overview. The relevance of psychology in nursing is that the mind and body are interwoven. So in order to treat a person's physical health, a person's mental health must also be treated. The patient may be suffering from acute or chronic disease, may be male or female, young or old, will come to the hospital with so many physical and psychological problems. They will have tensions, worries, pain, and also may debate about their illness, the kind of treatment they get, the cure of diseases, etc. So also concern the relatives of patients. Nursing training involves psychology training so that nurses have a foundation and a working knowledge of human behavior. Nursing. Define nursing. Nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individuals of all ages, families, groups, and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and the care of ill, disabled, and dying people, advocacy, promotion of safe environment, research, participation in shaping health policy, and in patient and health system management, and education are key nursing roles. Psychology. Define psychology. It is the scientific study of behavior and mental process. Behavior includes all of our outwards or overt actions and reactions such as talking, facial expression, and movement. Mental process refer to all the internal covert activity of our mind, such as thinking, feeling, and remembering. Important principles of psychology. Sensation, attention, distraction, perception, motivation, emotion, learning, thinking, personality, memory, forgetting and remembering, intelligence, attitude, aptitude. All the principles are very important in nursing. Functions of nursing. Nursing assessment, nursing diagnosis, nursing care, nursing plan, cure and therapy. nursing management, nursing education, nursing intervention, health education, counseling and guidance, and nursing research. Every nursing functions or functional areas, the application of psychology is fundamental need. Relevance and importance of psychology in nursing. Explanation following. Is important to nursing assessment. Psychological assessment is essential to detect the diseases. To nursing diagnosis, this assessment helps to find the causes of diseases and identify the needs of the client. To nursing care, provide comprehensive nursing care. To nursing plan, care plan depends upon psychological status of the client. To cure and therapy, treatment provided to the client based on mental status of the patients. In psychiatry, psychotherapy is one of the methods of treatment. To prevention, psychology helps to prevent diseases, including communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, as well as mental illness. To promote existing health, including physical, mental, and social well-being, the psychology is essential in nursing. To nursing management, psychology is essential to nursing management for management of subordinate nurses, to control chronic diseases, mainly chronic disease management. Then to nursing education, the psychology is essential to successful education provided to student nurses. Then to intervention, nursing intervention, psychology is very useful. To counseling, for counseling and client oriented guidance, the psychology is important for nursing. To health education depends on the mental status of the client. To nursing research, every aspect of nursing research, psychological factors useful, including problem formulation and hypothesis making, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.